So guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can delete your Visual Studio Code completely from your system. So if you are following these two steps, so you are able to delete any kind of software from your system. So let's begin. So firstly, you have to go on the search bar and write control panel. Okay, so now control panel is opened. So you have to click on the program and feature. If you are unable to find program and feature, so you can go on the search bar. So I can click on the program and feature, and now you have to search Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So here is it. So you can click on this Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and if you are unable to find, so again you can go on the search bar and search it. So now you can click on the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and again you can go on the uninstall button to uninstall it. Now I want to uninstall this, so I can click on the yes. So here the Visual Studio Code is installed successfully. I can click OK, and the second step is you can again go on the search bar and type this PC. Okay, and here you can go on the OS, and now you can find here user. So here is it, the user. If you are unable to find the user, so you can simply go on the search bar and you can write user. So I can click on the user, and now you have to click on the name of the user. So I can simply click on the name of the user, and now the second window is opened again. So here you can just find the VS Code. So here is it. You can click on this and delete it. VS Code, .VS Code. I can simply click on delete this. So now the .VS Code is deleting now from my system. So here Visual Studio Code is completely deleted from your system. So if you like this video, so please do like and subscribe and